Yeah, but we'll never be able to find him in this crazy ship.
I've been looking all over for you guys.
Coop?
You almost killed me!
Get in! Hang on!
How did you get the car? Where's Magus?
The green dude still got it. How'd you fly it here?
Actually, Jamie was a big help.
This Jamie?
Yeah, I got us out. Well, Kiva did most of the work.
Man, what'd the Glorft do to you?
The use of unnecessary force in capturing the Earthers has been approved.
This place has got everything.
Wonder if they got a drive-thru. I could really go for a Philly cheesesteak right about now. Now you know why I put 10 cylinders in this bad boy. Whoa.